Hello, darling, and welcome back to Wonderland. Looking to warm up your winter season? Well, today I'm showing you how to with this tangerine lippy and copper smoky eye. Picking up this peachy shade, this will be our transition hue for when we're going to be adding darker colors into the crease of the eye. Then I'm taking this bright, beautiful, warm orange and placing this just a little underneath that transition hue for a more blended gradient effect. Next, I'm picking up this very warm, rusty orangey brown and placing this just on the outer corners of my eye, making sure to blend any of those harsh edges or lines in a windshield wiper motion, just for a little bit more depth and dimension on my eyelids. Taking a burgundy hue, I'm placing this right on the outside corner of my eye, making sure to blend that into the orangey brown that we just placed in the crease. This will lend for a more blended, elongated look on the eyes. Taking a champagne, glistening, sparkly hue, I'm placing this on the center of my eyelids for a playful pop. Since we're going pretty warm on the eyes, I'm going pretty heavy on the bronzer. Here I am taking a cream bronzer and placing this on my cheeks, on the temples, and on my chin, anywhere that I want a bronzy, glowy look. Setting that cream bronzer with a powder. Next, I am taking this shimmery, bronzing, glittery highlighter from the Japanese dollar store Daiso. Only 50 cents, but it does have a tendency to kind of spray everywhere, and unfortunately sprayed all over my face, but I'm gonna blend that all away. Not gonna get me down. Finishing up the eyes, I am quickly just swiping some mascara, curling my lashes, and then I'm going to start on the lips. I like to take a very oversized crown. This one's from e.l.f. Just anything will do. Any lip liner will work for this purpose. I'm just going to overline my lips ever so slightly. That way when I go in for this awesome liquid lipstick on sale, probably at your local Target or Walmart, this liquid lipstick is actually really nice. I think that it blended in very nicely. It has a really strange smell, but beyond that, this is actually a pretty nice, long-lasting liquid lipstick, and I am just going to take that and place that over the edges to kind of define my lips a little bit more. I'm taking a shade just slightly lighter. I'm going to fill in the middle and just kind of blend over that crown that I placed over the lips. My best trick for concealing that crown is take as much product off of that wand as you can and delicately just cover over the crown with the liquid lipstick. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you would give this look a try, and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on another adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in Wonderland.